Look at the freedom fighters in the back. They're all joining us.
big round of applause. Here we have a wonderful kid, Sai Kushi Krishna Bhaiya. He's 10 years old and he's a 5th grader from Ivy Hill Elementary School, and he's got something special for us which he'll be unveiling. And he received Star Performer Award and Creative Career title from International Star Kids Awards, a world record for maximum number of mosaic portraits, and received Creative Genius Award in 2024 from Magic Book of Records, and many more. Thank you, Sai Kushi.
పాయింట్ అవుతుంది ఇంకొంచెం జూమ్ చేయండి ఇంకా కొంచెం కొద్దిగా చేయొచ్చు పైన కింద వస్తుంది టాప్ బాటమ్ కూడా కవర్ అవుతుంది.
Great round of applause for these kids. A wonderful and unique program as well as a unique talent. So I want to introduce our Consulate General here. A career diplomat, Ambassador Ghosh Ji, joined the Indian Foreign Services in 1997. In the span of his career over 26 years, he has been Ambassador of India to the Republic of Tajikistan 2016 to 2019 and to Mongolia 2014 through 2016. Prior to that, he was the Assistant High Commissioner of India and Bangladesh with consular jurisdiction of Chittagong and Shire divisions, constituting eastern part of Bangladesh. In his career, apart from important assignments in New Delhi, he has worked in Moscow, Brussels, European Council and European Parliament and spent considerable time in Central Asia. Prior to joining as the Consul General of India in Chicago, with consular jurisdiction of 7 Midwest states, Ambassador Ghosh Ji was heading September through 2019 to September 2022, was heading the international cooperation work in the Ministry of Defense of India. In that capacity, he oversaw defense policies and negotiations with USA, Russia, France, UK, major multinational organizations, and India's land and maritime neighborhood. Ambassador Ghosh Ji earned his MSc from the IIT Kanpur. He speaks Bengali, Hindi, English, and Russian. We are very fortunate for having him here in our TAGC Sankranti and Republic Day celebrations.
Now, we request PAGC President Ramana Kalma Garu to accompany our chief guest Somnath Ghosh Garu onto the dais and to present the certificates for these delegates.
Big round of applause, please.
Join our chief guest.
Thank you, sir, for joining today's first Sankranti and India Republic Day celebrations. I know, sir, you will be busy with 4 activities today. We admire you, sir. Majority of the time, sir comes 99.9% to TAGC events. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming. And, sir, please say a few words to our audience.
Thank you. First of all, my best wishes on the Sankranti. I can see there is a festive mode. I can understand tomorrow is the Republic Day of India. And I congratulate you on that occasion also. I will not speak long, but I want to remind you that winning the independence were difficult, but for a country like us, or any country in the world, maintaining democracy and increasingly improving and becoming world largest democracy has been more difficult. There has been challenges, but our India, our Indian culture, our Indian civilization, and our respect for democracy, our commitment to democracy have shown that we are more resilient than the challenges that we face. And you can see around, you won't find many countries where over 1 billion people, right now the number of voters are almost 1 billion, they peacefully exercise their right, governments come and go peacefully. There is a constitution, constitution which has instituted an inclusive society, world's most diverse society, many languages, many culture, many way of living, many religions. And still we are one, we are India. So we must be proud of our country, our civilization. And we must be more proud of you, who not only belongs to India but also belongs to a great country like United States. So on this happy occasion, on this auspicious occasion, I'll always say, God bless our two beautiful countries and let our cooperation, our partnership get stronger, go strength to strength. Thank you so much. Thank you for the invite.
We also have Nag Jaiswal Garu from Naperville City Council here. Thank you very much, sir, for giving your time and being here with us. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అందరికీ సంక్రాంతి శుభాకాంక్షలు. మరి 26th జనవరి రిపబ్లిక్ డే శుభాకాంక్షలు. You have to understand the constitution. We have so much respect. We are growing in a country, as Somnath ji said. We all have the constitutional right to vote. We have respect here. Not every country does that. So let us celebrate our Republic Day and Sankranti. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.
పిల్లలందరికీ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ ఇవ్వవలసిందిగా వీరిని కోరుతున్నాను. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని, ఇంత అందమైన ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని మనకి కోఆర్డినేట్ చేసిన వారు శ్వేతా చిన్నారి గారు, కల్చరల్ చైర్ గివర్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ బ్రహ్మాజీ ఫర్ యువర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్పీచ్. And thank you very much for all the kids who dressed up like freedom fighters. And this is a wonderful program. Thank you.
Big round of applause for all the kids and their parents. Also Sai Kushil for his unique talent. Bharat Mata ki Jai bolo, Bharat Mata ki. Thank you, Joshi, for your time and we really